a very high level, the DMDP program has focused on promoting inclusive economic growth and decent jobs, especially for women and youth. Strengthening agricultural value chain through improved productivity, market access, and value addition. Driving climate-smart agriculture and green growth. Building sustainable business model through public-private collaboration. And more importantly, embedding responsible business conduct across all operations. In Taveta, this principle translated into measurable impact. Over 2,000 smallholder banana farmers were mobilized, trained, organized into 40 farm estates, with 40% being women and at least over 30% being youth.
Kwa kweli tangu MESP imekuja imeleta mafanikio makubwa, manake mafunzo tuliyopata ni mengi, yametufundisha, tumetoka kwa ujinga tukaingia kwa ujanja. Ndizi zilikuwa zina soko moja peke yake, lakini saa hizi kuna kupima na kilo, kuna kuuza mfungu, kuna kumenya makopa. Kwa hivyo ndizi imekuwa pesa kwa sehemu yetu ya Kitobo ama sehemu yetu ya Taveta kwa ujumla. Mara ya kwanza ilikuwa ndizi Kongoya, ndizi Kongoya, ndizi Kongoya. Sasa zinapelekwa Voi, zinapelekwa Ukambani, zinapelekwa sehemu nyingi. Kwa hivyo sasa hivi kidogo pesa ndizi ina pesa.
There was a question of key successes. Our membership has improved from 460 to now we are at 754 members, and our tonnage, we were at 20 tons per week, but now we are taking 48 tons and sometimes 50 tons per week. So that is a big success.
Kwa niaba ya wakulima Tataba, kwa sababu ndio watu tuko na wao na wako strictly, wakuja kwa wakulima tuandikishane mkataba ama contract kwamba ndizi yangu utaichukulia mahali fulani na kwa bei fulani, tukubaliane kabisa. Na mimi ndizi yangu nitahakikisha sitauzia broker, nitauzia Tataba ama nitauzia mtu yule ambaye tumewekeana mkataba.
I really want to assure you that what you have in Taveta is special. I know you may think that you've done very well, but I'll challenge you. There are cooperatives in Meru that are aggregating 700 metric tons a week, and they're finding their way to market. Tataba is at about maybe 40, 50 metric tons. You can get to 700 metric tons a week and do better. I'm challenging you for that. You must triple or make it 10 times what you're doing now. You must make it happen. For you to have sustainable development, real economic transformation, you must make it 100 times more than what you're doing, because the market does not want 1 metric tons.
We realized a problem of the distance, because you realize all the nurseries that I've actually mentioned, they are placed in Kajiado and Kiambu County, so which is very far from here. So we realized that gap. That is why instead of farmers moving to those distances to get those seedlings, we equipped the hardening nurseries here so that they can be getting the plantlets, which are easy to carry to Taveta and then harden and sell to the farmers. And we can say it's a success, because right now we have enough planting materials around. And then the next thing is now in a tripartite agreement with Taita Taveta University and Taita Taveta County, the equipping of the lab at the TTU, which has been a tremendous journey. And that was basically to make sure that apart from getting the plantlets from other sources which are very far, we have within our county, which we can, farmers with demand of as low as 100 seedlings, they can just go there and pick, unlike going to Nairobi to pick 100 seedlings or 20 seedlings.
The pre-production of tissue culture lab has several stages, and we were able to carry out the process of development of the propagation protocol, the initiations, the subculturings, where we multiply the seedlings, and up to the final rooting stage where the plants exited the lab. After that, the university has been suffering from challenges with temperatures. We all know Ngerenyi is very, very cold, and in the greenhouse, the temperatures ranges from days of 38 degrees centigrade, while at night we go up to 10 degrees Celsius. And this challenged the acclimatization phase, which we have been monitoring, and currently we've been able to handle that problem. And the first tissues are what we can see. They are actually at the bench there. And right now, since the problem is handled, we are phasing out the hardening, and within the next 1.5 months, the first farmers will be able to receive the seedlings.
We have partnered with MESPT, and I can say that last year we got almost 50 million, targeting financing the small farmer, the business, the banana farmer, I mean. Now, I can ascertain kwamba we have designed a product which is now going on for 48 months, because the banana farming, if you plant, it almost takes 9 months to mature. So we have a product that goes up to 48 months at a very lowest interest of 0.75 reducing. This product will help the farmer to start small and to grow gradually. And we have said that at least a farmer to borrow from 50,000 for sustainability, because if you borrow 20,000, that's not sustainable. So most have borrowed 100,000 and above. That's the ones we have lent to.
Nikutana na MESPT nikiwa nursery operator mdogo. MESPT wakaniwezesha kukua mpaka mahali nimefika. Walinisaidia kupata certificate ya KEPHIS, HCD, na pia kuniunganisha na kampuni ambazo zinazalisha mbegu aina ya tissue culture. Zaidi ya yote grade 9. Wakanifunza jinsi ya kuzikuza, na kufikia sahihi na uwezo wa kuuza mbegu zaidi ya 10,000 kwa ajili ya wakulima wa Taveta. Zaidi ya yote, pia niko na miti aina yote ya matunda, ya mbao, ya maua, ukifika mtepata.
We want to really thank you, Miss. You have been a big help in this project to mobilize smallholder farmers to be part of this project, where we have increased their income by 40% per acre. This is something which really is good for a socialistic heart like for mine, to see that the small people in this world can really be helped and increase their income.
This was the Taveta farm before MESPT, yeah? And they were busy working, yeah? She moved from there up to there. Then MESPT came and joined, yeah? Now, let's walk. And we walk together. We have reached here, and now you are the Taveta farmer. You are staying there, and I am MESPT. I walk away. Yeah? I could take this direction or that direction, and now we continue walking. Yeah? Simply, that is what is happening. You know, The Taveta farmer was continuing with their farming with a lot of challenges, as CEC Gertrude has said. And she said the farms were almost abandoned, the banana farms. But when MESP came along, government came along, TTU came along, the private sector came along, and we realized not one can support the farmer alone. It has to be a team. Each person contributing what they have to support the farmer to solve the challenges. And we have worked and we have had the report which we have received this afternoon, and it is a very encouraging report.
We will in chapter 2 need more organic farmers, smallholder farmers and satellite farmers, and we will make this small factory which will make local production and trials, and it will give 150 employees. We will also go into sweet potatoes and other crops. And we will make it small because everything we do in this project is small steps up the right way, and we go the right direction instead of making big steps and fall down. That is not our policy.
On the seed systems, again, the Taveta County government, through its extension service, ensures that farmers access the right seeds and seedlings through advisory services. And particularly now that we have the Taveta University Nursery, we are encouraging through advocacy to ensure that farmers now do not have to do the over 500 kilometers to JQAT. They can access that seed at affordable price just within their reach, about 10 kilometers in Taveta University. So that's the kind of support the Taveta University, the county government of Taveta is providing for the sustainable systems as far as linkage with Taveta University is concerned.
So what MESP has done is preparing us. I could see even from the exhibition over there, they can produce in 7 months lots and lots of seedling for the banana plant. So all our partners who are trying to assist us on this, you know, I'm a busy person, but wherever I am, I'm always thinking about you. And I don't know what I can do back to you. But God will assist you, and wherever where you go, you blossom, and then again come back for even bigger ones. Orana, I really congratulate you.
Thank you for the journey that we've been able to do in Taveta County. We have worked very well with various stakeholders, and above all, just starting with the county government. The support we've gotten from the county government has been enormous, immense. Thank you very much, Madam Governor, and we hope that you'll tell the rest the same. The Taveta University. Last time we were here, we launched the Taveta University Tissue Culture Lab up the hills, and I think that is a game changer for this county. Other than Jomo Kenyatta University, no other university has a tissue culture. This is a big deal, and I think you should take it to the next level.
We would like to especially recognize Orana Kenya Limited for the investment in value addition and international market linkages. One Agricultural Group on the innovation in farm aggregation. Taveta University for their technical expertise and commitment to agricultural research and seed systems development. The county government of Taveta for their aligning local policy and resources to support the agricultural transformation. And we would want to really emphasize that the county continues this, and especially if you could integrate this in your county, the CIDPs and annual development plan. I think this project will be in good hands. We also want to acknowledge the MESP team whose dedication and professionalism have driven this program forward.
Thank you very much.